Disitulikiti y'e Kasese yagweyeddwa amataba naye egenda kulwawo kubanga ekyali mu mbeera ey'okusoomozebwa olw'ensonga nti ebintu ebisinga obungi bya buwumbi na buwumbi bwa nsimbi byasigadde nga byonooneddwa okwabaddeyo amasomero mu kitundu ekyo, amalwaliro gayonooneddwa kw'oteekayo enguudo n'entindo. Abawangalira bagamba nti kigenda batwalira akaseera nga bali mu mbeera ey'okusoberwa wadde nga gavumenti nayo yeetaagibwa okusitukiramu mu kaseera kano ebyokwebakwaziza kubanga ng'abantu ba bulijjo basobeddwa.
Amataba gasazeeko ebitundu bya Kasese ne gasannyalaza ebintu bingi omuli eby'entambula n'amalwaliro. Amasomero ge gamu ku gasinze okukosebwa era tutuuseko mu masomero ageesudde mu Kasese munisipaali nga gano gandisanga obuzibu okuggulawo singa ekkoligo liggibwawo. Amakanda tusinze gateeka Bushonora North mu magombolola okuli Bigoye ne Maliba. Essomero lya gavumenti mu kitundu kino lyakoseddwa era twogeddeko ne Mbusa Solomon omutuuze w'ekitundu kino n'abaako by'atangaaza.
So the floods has made a lot of problems for us, we as people of Kone. As I told you that we had here a government school which having 7 classes. As you have seen here we had 5 classrooms. All the 5 classrooms have been taken by the floods, and the 2 people, the twins, have been taken by the floods. And as you are seeing, this building also has been taken by the floods. So as we had the 7 classrooms, we are now remaining with only 2 classrooms which we can have to manage as you are seeing.
Mbusa agamba nti kijja kuba kizibu nnyo abaana okutambula kilomita 7 n'okusingawo okugenda ku masomero ageesudde ekitundu kino.
We as the people of the Kone and the people at large, we are requesting the government to come and help us at least to see where they can locate our school so that we can manage how to take our people to school. Otherwise, the distance from here to another school like Kenya Primary School, it is very far. We cannot manage to take their children, and the children, as you know, the children in primary section, they are very still young, they cannot move away from here up to the other school. So for us, our prayer is let us the government come and help us and they see what to do for us. Otherwise, we are in trouble. The garden you are seeing here has been taken, the eucalyptus trees has been taken, very many things has been taken as you have already witnessed from the scene.
Ssentebe wa LC5 e Kasese Bigogo Geoffrey ategeezezza nti ebyalo bisaliddwako ebyenjigiriza n'entambula bizibuwadde.
The people whose homes have been completely swept, and you will not even imagine that there was a home. Maybe you will only see reminders of remains just of small structures indicating that there was a home in a place. That is what exists up there. In Charumba, now in Bukonzo East, I think part of the trading center on the road to the Catholic Church is totally, I think, demolished. That nobody would even ever allow anybody to reconstruct there or even stay there.
Bigogo agamba nti abantu mu maka 10 be bakoseddwa mu kiseera kino.
The latest figures we are talking about are about 1,000 something households. But by yesterday we were still collecting the real data from the source. We sent teams of technical and political leaders together with the NGO workers to the field to try and reach the actual places where the damage happened so that people can explain what they experienced. I think this is this data that we are going to analyze in the next meeting so that we can even see who receives part of this relief first.
Gye tuyise awasinga tusanze abatuuze beekozeemu omulimu okusobola okuzzaawo entindo mu kitundu kino. Byatumusime Gerard, Salt TV, Omunnyo.